going to Fort Collins to see Little Shop of Physics open house.
So Eric, where are we?
Well, we're in Colorado headed to Fort Collins because we're still looking for exhiblets, and I'm not seeing them yet anywhere here, but I bet we're on the right track.
I think we might have got a little lost.
Exhiblets.
Exhiblets! Not here.
This is like an exhibit fiesta. It is like a gigantic exhibit festival. This is where it all started, folks. Since before exhibit was even a word, Little Shop of Physics has been building these sorts of cool things. Here we are, another room full of them, absolutely chock full of exhibits. This is just amazing. Gonna do a 360 here. There's another ballroom that's also full of exhibits. It is an exhibit heaven. Exhibit Shangri-La.
And then take it off.